Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Wednesday, February the 14th. First and foremost, I think I even forgot to mention it in stream this morning, but happy Valentine's Day, everyone out there. All right, it's going to be a quick recap on how the trading went today. It's a little bit crazy, So let's go over our stream account first. This is the account that we are trading on stream and had a nice day. $199 in profit and really no complaints. Everything was great. Now, let me preface that with, um, well, you know what? Let's just switch over to the other accounts right away. So here are the remaining 50K accounts. And if you think it looks a little crazy, you would be correct. Um, so let me explain a little bit what happened today. Basically, I ended stream somewhere around 11:30, 12 o'clock. I ended stream, and when I ended stream, these two accounts here were red. Basically, a $300 loss on the account that we had a $600 loss yesterday. So now that account is in jeopardy. I mean, it's still got $1,600 of drawdown left, so I don't think we need to do anything crazy, but it's obviously not great. Our balance is down to only 50,776. And then this account was the account where we had this big, it was a big red candle. Let me show you the candle. I still remember which one it was. It was this one right here. Right here. Got me. Got me good. So, and that stopped me out on this account. Now, I was going to call it a day. I was like, you know what? I'm done for the day, but I didn't shut off my Guardian Angel Trader, which is what I usually do. I'll go up and I'll shut off trading for the day. And I was like, I'm going to wait to see a little bit how the afternoon plays out. And I mean, I was glad I did. So at the time, I think at the time when I ended stream, like I had 6 accounts that were green. And then these two are red. So in the afternoon session, just to switch here again to this screen, the afternoon session, we kind of had some volatility. And once we kind of put in this double bottom here and we failed to go lower, I felt pretty confident that we're going to try and, we're going to try and go higher the remaining of the day. Obviously, I like going long in this market. So I started trading again. I got back on that horse. And honestly, I'm glad I did. Even though I did at the end of the day, these two accounts ended up in red, that was me over trading. The accounts were actually in the green. They were like $120 in profit. And I thought I started over trading a little bit this afternoon, and I started to do what I do when I start trading bad, and that is not being patient. Like I would get in a trade and it would start going in drawdown and I panic out instead of just being patient, allowing the trade to work. And I think on all of the trades, on these accounts that we ended up in the red, if I just let them go, the trades would have worked out. But I started doing that, and that is when I shut off trading for the day. And basically, we ended, these two accounts in the red by a little bit. It wasn't anything crazy, $252 and $164 in red. But then on the good side, got some really nice trades, and everything else was green. And I'm very happy. I'm very happy with how the day ended, even though we got a couple accounts here that are a little bit in trouble, but I've never expected that I would take, all 19 accounts to a payout. I mean, that would be great if I did, but with how I trade, I knew there was there was a very good chance that some accounts will be lost in the process, and that's okay. So again, overall, I'm happy with the day. We now have our first account balance over 2,000 in profit. And then we have 5 accounts that are 1,900 in profit. And then pretty much the remaining ones are above 1,800, except for our streaming account, which is at 1,750. So making progress. And if I just continue to do this, I will be more than happy. And if there's a couple more casualties along the way, I'm hoping there's not, but if there is, I'm not going to be that upset about it. I'm going to continue to trade like I'm trading. When I start trading bad is when I start becoming impatient and not following kind of my risk management that I've laid out. So if I start doing that, then that's when I need to stop trading for the day. And yeah, that's what we did today. So anyway, that pretty much sums it up. Did want to mention I am not going to be streaming tomorrow, so we will be back on Friday. But that's a wrap. Hopefully everyone had a green day. Hopefully you all have a green day tomorrow, and I hope you have a great evening, great rest of your day, and God bless.